Have you ever felt like there's a deeper connection between your thoughts, your life, and the universe itself? What if I told you that the energy that drives you to get out of bed in the morning is the same kind of energy that spins galaxies and brings stars to life? It sounds like science fiction, but it's the core idea of a groundbreaking book called The Secret of Quantum Energy. Today, we're going deep into its most revolutionary concepts, exploring how you, me, and everything around us are part of one cosmic energy system. The book starts with a simple but profound claim. Everything begins in the mind. Not just our actions or our dreams, but reality itself. It introduces a concept called quantum ignition, or Q. Think of it as an inner spark. This spark isn't just a metaphor, it's a real force. It's the energy that consciousness produces to set things in motion. This quantum energy is the fundamental drive that pushes every single system in the universe from a starting point. Let's call it A to a destination. B, the Satubi principle is everywhere. It's the journey of a seed growing into a tree. It's the path you take from having an idea to creating something real. It's the evolution of a species over millions of years. According to this theory, nothing in existence moves or changes without this internal, quantum-level push. It's the universe's fundamental law of motion, and it all starts with consciousness. But what does this mean for us, as living beings? The book argues that humans, animals, and even plants are what it calls quantum generators. We are constantly producing this vital energy. How? Through our awareness, our thoughts, our perceptions, and even the natural rhythms of our bodies. When you focus your attention on a task, you're generating Q. When a plant turns its leaves toward the sun, it's responding to and creating this energy. When your heart beats in a steady rhythm, that biological coherence is another form of quantum energy production. We are small, walking, talking engines of life. Each of us contributes our own spark to a vast, interconnected web of energy. This web isn't just some abstract spiritual idea. It's what sustains our planet. The collective energy of all life forms creates a biosphere that's buzzing with vitality. We are not just living asterisk on asterisk the Earth. We are actively powering it with our consciousness. Our combined energy contributes to the harmony of our planet, which in turn plays a role in the grander symphony of the galaxy. This leads to an even bigger idea. The universe itself behaves like a single living organism. It's a mind-bending concept, but the book draws some fascinating parallels. Think about it. Galaxies rotate, pulling everything toward their center and then flinging it out, much like a cosmic heart-pumping energy. There are patterns of resonance and frequency that flow through the structure of the cosmos, similar to the vibrations in a living body. In this massive cosmic organism, life forms like us aren't just random accidents. We are essential. We are the microscale partners, the tiny cells that help support and sustain the entire system. Our individual sparks of consciousness collectively fuel the cosmic engine. One of the most elegant ideas in the book is that reality is a fractal. A fractal is a pattern that repeats itself at every scale. What you see in the small, you also see in the large. The book proposes that this Satubi directional law of energy is the universe's ultimate fractal pattern. The same principle that governs an atom moving from one energy state to another also governs a cell dividing. It governs an organism seeking food or a mate. It governs an ecosystem evolving over time. It governs a planet orbiting its star. It even governs a galaxy on its journey through the cosmos. From the infinitesimally small to the unimaginably large, everything follows this simple, directional flow of energy. Reality is a beautiful, repeating pattern, and we are a perfect reflection of it. So, if consciousness creates energy, and this energy drives the universe, how does it all connect to the physical laws we already know, like gravity? This is where the book introduces its most ambitious theory, Boko dual gravity, or BDG. This isn't your standard physics. BDG is a new framework designed to unite consciousness, quantum energy, and gravity into a single, cohesive picture. Traditional physics sees gravity as a force that shapes the large-scale structure of the universe's planets, stars, and galaxies. Quantum mechanics, on the other hand, describes the bizarre world of tiny particles. For a century, scientists have been trying to bridge the gap between these two to find a theory of everything. BDG proposes a radical solution. It suggests that gravity isn't just one force, but two working in harmony. There's the familiar large-scale gravity that pulls matter together. But there's also a second complementary force that is generated by life and consciousness. This is the quantum energy, the Q we talked about. This life-generated energy doesn't just disappear. It influences the cosmic structure, creates a kind of upward, expansive pressure that balances the inward pull of traditional gravity. According to BDG, life is not an accident that happened on a random planet in a quiet corner of the universe. Life is a cosmic necessity. The universe needs life to generate this opposing gravitational force to maintain its stability and balance. Without the quantum energy produced by countless living beings across the cosmos, the universe might have collapsed back on itself long ago. Life and consciousness are literally woven into the fabric of space-time. They are as fundamental to the universe as gravity itself. This framework changes everything. It means our existence is not just meaningful to us, it's meaningful to the entire cosmos. We are not passive observers in a cold, indifferent universe. We are active participants. We are co-creators. Every thought we have, every choice we make, every bit of awareness we cultivate, sends ripples of quantum energy out into the universe. We are contributing to the grand cosmic balance. So what's the ultimate takeaway from the secret of quantum energy? It's an invitation to see yourself in a completely new light. You are not an isolated being, separate from the world around you. You are a vital part of a living, breathing cosmos. You are a quantum generator, a creator of the very energy that animates reality. Your consciousness is not just inside your head. It's a force that connects you to every atom, every star, and every galaxy. The universe isn't something that's just happening asterisk to asterisk you. You are happening asterisk to it asterisk. We're a contributor to the cosmic engine of existence. This knowledge is incredibly empowering. It suggests that by aligning our personal Atubi journey, our goals, our passions, our growth with the universal flow of energy, we can live more harmonious and purposeful lives. When you understand that your inner spark is connected to the fire of the stars, you start to realize the immense power you hold. You are a fractal piece of the universe, experiencing itself. Thank you so much for joining me on this mind-bending journey today. If this sparked something in you, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the connection between consciousness and the cosmos? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest ideas shaping our understanding of reality. See you in the next one.